Today we are going to read this informational text about volcanoes. We know that it's an informational text because it is giving us facts and information.
Mountains of fire. Ash and steam pour out of the mountain. Hot melted rock rises up inside the mountain. Suddenly, a spray of glowing hot ash shoots out. It is an eruption. More melted rock is forced out. It spills down the side of the volcano in a burning hot river. Anything that cannot move is burned or buried. Word blast. Eruption. When magma reaches Earth's surface. Some eruptions are explosive. What did the volcano eat for lunch? Ashed potatoes. Hot rocks. When magma comes out of the earth, it is called lava. The lava hardens. Ash and rock pile up. A volcano is born. Deep beneath the earth's surface, it is hot, hot enough to melt rock. When rock melts, it becomes a thick liquid called magma. Sometimes it puddles together in a magma chamber. Sometimes it finds cracks to travel through. If magma travels through a crack to the surface, the place it comes out is called a vent. Word blast. Magma. Thick, liquid melted rock. Magma chamber. A space deep underground filled with melted rock. Vent. Any opening in Earth's surface where volcanic materials come out. Shaky plates. Where do cracks and vents in the earth come from? The land we live on is broken into pieces called plates. The plates fit Earth like a puzzle. They are always moving a few inches a year. When plates pull apart or smash together, watch out. This picture shows the gap that forms when plates pull apart. One place where Earth's plates smash together is called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It is the longest mountain range on Earth, and most of it is underwater. Why don't volcanoes eat dinner? Their plates are broken. An island is born. What happens when two plates pull apart? They make a giant crack in the earth. Magma can rise up through these cracks. This even happens underwater. About 60 million years ago, an underwater volcano poured out so much lava it made new land. A huge island grew, right in the middle of the ocean. Lava formed the country of Iceland. About 50 years ago, people saw smoke coming out of the ocean near Iceland. A new island was being born right before their eyes. They called it Surtsey, after the Norse god of fire. Who takes care of baby volcanoes? They're magmas.
We are going to stop here, and on the next slide, we are going to write about how an island is formed.